Let me tell you something that most men don't understand after a breakup. The moment a woman leaves, most guys panic. They start sending messages, they ask for another chance, they try to explain themselves, and sometimes they keep texting even when they get no response. But here is the truth that many men realize too late. The more you chase someone who walked away, the further they move from you. And strangely enough, the moment you stop chasing, something different starts happening. Silence begins to work in ways most people don't expect, because when you disappear from someone's life, you create something very powerful. Space. Space for curiosity, space for memories, and sometimes space for regret. Now, this doesn't mean every woman will come back, but if real feelings were there, time and distance often make her start thinking about you again. So in this video, I'm going to explain why silence after a breakup can affect her more than you think. And more importantly, why focusing on your own life is always the strongest move you can make. Let's break this down step by step. Point 1. Why chasing never works. The biggest mistake most men make after a breakup is chasing. They believe that if they can just explain themselves clearly enough, she will suddenly change her mind. But attraction does not operate like a logical debate. It operates through emotion. When someone feels overwhelmed by constant messages, calls, or attempts to reconnect, their brain enters a defensive state. Instead of feeling attraction, they feel pressure, and pressure often creates the opposite of what you want. In psychology, there is a concept known as psychological reactance. This idea suggests that when people feel their freedom is being limited, they instinctively push back. Even if they originally liked you, too much pressure can make them feel trapped, and when people feel trapped, their instinct is to escape. This is why silence is often more powerful than chasing, because when the pressure disappears, emotional space returns. And when emotional space returns, reflection begins. Point 2. Silence creates curiosity. Human curiosity is one of the most powerful forces in the mind. When something that was once predictable suddenly disappears, the brain tries to fill the gap with questions. If someone used to be part of your everyday life and then suddenly they're gone, the mind naturally becomes curious. What are they doing now? Have they moved on? Are they happier without me? Are they thinking about me too? This psychological pattern has been studied for centuries. The philosopher Aristotle once observed that human beings are naturally driven by the desire to know and understand. In simple terms, uncertainty attracts attention. When people lose access to someone they once had, that uncertainty creates curiosity, and curiosity often leads to reflection. This is when memories begin to resurface. Not the arguments, not the stress, but the moments that felt meaningful, the conversations, the laughter, the emotional connection, and that is when silence begins to have an effect. Point 3. Distance reveals true feelings. There are two famous sayings that people repeat. Distance makes the heart grow fonder, and out of sight, out of mind. Both statements are true, but which one happens depends on whether genuine feelings existed in the first place. If real emotional attachment was present, distance often strengthens those emotions. This happens because the mind begins to compare life now with life before, and sometimes that comparison creates nostalgia. But if the emotional connection was already gone, distance simply allows both people to move on. And while that may feel disappointing, it also provides clarity, because clarity is far more valuable than false hope. Understanding where you truly stand allows you to move forward with dignity. Point 4. Why silence shows strength. When a man walks away calmly after a breakup, it communicates something powerful without saying a single word. It shows emotional control, it shows self-respect, and it shows that he refuses to chase someone who has already made a decision. This idea actually aligns closely with the philosophy of Stoicism, a school of thought practiced by thinkers like Marcus Aurelius. Stoic philosophy teaches that we should focus our energy only on what we can control. We cannot control another person's feelings, we cannot control their decisions, but we can control our reactions. Walking away with dignity is not weakness, it is discipline, and discipline is one of the most powerful forms of strength. Point 5. People always make time for what they value. One of the simplest truths about relationships is this: people make time for what they truly value. When someone genuinely enjoys being around you, they will find ways to spend time with you. Even if they are busy, even if their schedule is full, even if they only have a short amount of time available, effort is the clearest signal of interest. And when someone consistently avoids spending time with you without offering alternatives, their actions are telling you something important. Interest creates effort. Lack of interest creates excuses. Understanding this truth saves people from months or even years of confusion. Point 6. Never wait for someone to come back. Now here is the most important lesson of all. Silence should never be used as a strategy for waiting. It should be used as a strategy for growth. Your focus should return to your own life, your goals, your health, your friendships, your future. Because the moment you stop waiting for someone else's decision, you regain control over your own direction. And something interesting often happens when people genuinely move forward. They become more confident, more focused, more attractive, not because they are trying to impress someone, but because they are building a life that does not depend on one person. And if that person eventually returns, the power dynamic has changed. Now you decide whether they still deserve a place in your life. Point 7. The scarcity principle. Why absence increases value. There is a concept in behavioral psychology and economics called the scarcity principle. The idea is very simple. People tend to value things more when they become rare or unavailable. When something is constantly available, the brain starts to take it for granted. But the moment access disappears, the perceived value increases. This principle has been studied extensively by social psychologist Robert Cialdini, who explained that scarcity naturally increases desire and attention. The same psychological mechanism often appears in relationships. When someone is always present, always texting, always available, their presence becomes predictable. And predictability can sometimes reduce emotional intensity. But when that presence suddenly disappears, the mind begins to notice the absence. The conversations that are no longer happening, the attention that is no longer there, the emotional space that now feels empty. This doesn't guarantee that someone will come back, but it explains why absence often increases someone's awareness of what they lost, and that awareness can sometimes change how they see you. Silence after a breakup is not about winning someone back, it is about restoring your balance. Sometimes time and distance cause people to reconsider their decisions. Sometimes they don't. But either way, silence gives you something far more valuable than control over someone else. It gives you control over yourself. And the truth is simple. The right person will never require you to beg for their attention. They will want to be in your life just as much as you want to be in theirs. And when that happens, relationships stop feeling like a struggle. They start feeling natural.